Welcome to day 8 of the Artist Trading Cards Challenge, a 30-day challenge for the month of June. Right here I'm showing you it's the aged copper, and it gives you a patina paint system by Tattered Angels, which is the part of the company of Canvas Core Brands Company. And so I'm following the directions that they give on this. It's the first time I've ever tried this. I've had it for about a year, and you actually spray it on very heavily so that every time you spray it on, it pools. It has to pool and get totally soaked. So I'm following the instructions here, and it turns out pretty good. But I have to apologize for the filming of this. I don't know what happened, why it is so bleached out, my film, this video, and you really cannot see the card good enough that I'm making. And okay, and right here, any of the excess, I'm using other artist trading cards to pick up the excess, which I might use later. Could be used later for other backgrounds. Of course, the most intense color comes from the original one, but I do make 2 other artist trading cards from the excess that happened on the paper plate. The patina actually shows up very well, but it kind of looks like less coppery and more bronze, like patina on bronze. But it still worked out very well because I'm doing the steampunk theme. And I just want to shout out again to our hosts of this hashtag challenge. That's Peg Robinson and Shell C, and I have linked their YouTube channels down below. Again, that's the last one. I'm picking up any of the excess. And the lighting is just not showing this right. I'm using the same lighting I always use, but for some reason in this video, I don't know, because I have 2 windows in this room. It's a corner room, and it could have been that the sunlight was coming in more than I thought and affecting the lighting. That's the only thing I can think of, because otherwise the lighting I've been using has worked well. But extra sunlight might have been coming in the room. I'm just not sure. So drying it with my heat dryer tool. You can see how shimmery and glimmery it is. And those are the 3 together with the original one right there. And I'm going to use E6000 glue because I'm gluing on metal. All these little gears and steampunk items are metal. And I found it's best to use the latex gloves when you're using the E6000. So I'm trying to decide the composition right now. If you put the hashtag ATCAD2018 into the Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube browsers, you will find the other artists that are also participating in this 30-day challenge. Here's a close-up. Since the lighting is just so bad, a close-up of what I'm doing. And if you put that hashtag into those browsers, yes, you will. It will bring up the other artists that are participating in this event, the wonderful artwork other artists are doing. And this has been quite a challenge for me, even though I'm recording this as day 8, but I'm really recording this ahead of time. There's another close-up shot. It just, oh, the patina just looks so great. And I'm recording this ahead of time before day 8, and I have to say, if trying to create a video every day for 30 days is a challenge. So when you say artist trading card 30-day challenge, it's a challenge. You don't have to make a video for each one, but you can just post the card. But I've chosen to make the video, and this is the close-up shots of the finished piece now, and I'm showing you in the light how shimmery it is. Thank you so much for watching. Please join me again tomorrow for day 9. Please, and if you like this video, please click the like button, and please comment so that I know that you were here, and please share and subscribe.